whether a number is positive or negative or zero. Please write this particular program using if else ladder. It is very simple program. Okay, someone is written some code. Monica is written if y greater than 0 then the number is positive. Else, and where is the 0? And I am also asking for negative, whether it is positive number or negative number or 0. Okay students, let me write that particular program. Very simple. You can write any number of I will go and write the program. So let us go and work on this. Right click on your project. Yes, right answer, Karthik. New class file. Take a simple program, that is uh, number test. Number test is my class name. Click on add now. So main method. Out of main method you can give some variable int n for storing the number. Take a scanner class. Scanner sc equals to new scanner. Okay, of what system.in. Next is I'm going to ask so enter any number. I'm asking the end user to enter any number. So next thing is n equals to sc dot next int, because I'm going to store that particular number. Next, if The condition is n less than 0. If it is less than 0, I am displaying syso. The number is, where is that particular number? The number is there in n. N plus e is positive. Sorry, rather than 0. E is positive. Else if only one statement, that's why no need to put the flower brackets here. Else if n less than 0, you will display system.out.println. The number is positive number. Sorry, number is negative number. Otherwise, none of the cases is there. So the number is 0. Simply you can directly write, don't display the number because it is 0 only. So save it, execute the program, right click, run as Java application, enter any number, you can enter 56. 56 is positive number, and right click. Once again I am running the program, run as Java application, enter any number, minus 78, it gives negative number. Okay, if you enter something else, right click, run as Java application, enter 0, it is becomes 0. Okay, it is neither positive nor negative, that is 0. Last case,